guys, today is something albacio again, like always. I'm going to make this fish. This is called, I'm going to make alla Mediterranean fish. You can use any fish you want. Super easy, 15-20 minutes maximum is ready. Just we have to prepare the sauce. Anyway, some salt and pepper, how much you like on fish. Very simple. We're gonna add a little bit more later if you like. Pan is already on. A nice touch olive oil. We start to prepare the sauce. I put some garlic in, if you like, some capers. Some oregano. Like this. Now we go in with passata. This is a little bit, one passata is a little bit thicker, medium low. Don't wanna be a lot. Eh? As always guys, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe in the channel, if you can, and check our website cookingwithalitalia.com. I say a million times, we are not master chef, but we cook very, very good for the family. Always albacio. And when you cook, take easy. A nice prosecco never is not good. That is good. Chili paste. I make this chili paste. You have video as well on the channel. It's absolutely delicious. If you like chili, it's good. Any olives you like, if you like. Some more oregano, I like it. Oregano is very important in this dish. Or if you don't like oregano, you can put some basil. This I take from when I'm going on holiday. I have in my garden a little bit, but I take from Puglia when I'm going down. Because here I don't find like that. Okay? Okay, fantastic. Now, this is gonna cook very slow. Later we gonna add another touch of salt and pepper in the sauce. How much you like. This with bread. The fish gonna be in now. Look at that. Low flame. Yeah, fantastic. This guy is really 15 minutes is ready, even less. Anyway, we leave to cook. Very gentle, and we put lid on and leave to cook. Important you check, not gonna be very dry. Always have that. If need little bit of touch of water. Okay, see you soon. Okay guys, 15 minutes. When you see your fish is break like this, it fell in part, you know, it's cooked. Turn it off, leave the lid on, and leave to rest around 10 minutes, and it's ready to eat. I cook this 16 minutes to be precise, okay? See you soon. I'm gonna show you when it's completely done. Absolutely fantastic. And one thing I was saying, the smell, wow, is super. Guys, this, 20 minutes, lunch, dinner, everything here, just you eat like that, with some bread, I like the way I gonna eat, or you can have some rice on side. If left this sauce, you can make some spaghetti, linguine, some pasta. It's absolutely, I'm watering. It's absolutely delicious, guys. Wow, this is the very cool and health kitchen. Cooking stuff easy, ingredient just basic, and the taste is super. Guys, look at that. Oh yeah. Anyway, this is my code, Mediterranean code. Merluzzo alla Mediterranea is absolutely al bacio. Always, guys, if you like, finger up and follow us. Ciao!